Hi, you guys, come with me as I make a trip to one of my favorite stores for some holiday decor. I initially wanted to do this video vlog style, but the inside of the store was so loud, I had to just do a voiceover instead. But as soon as I walked into the store, I saw these cute little ornaments and I had to get them. So of course I'm getting that B for Bailey, L for Lainey. For some reason, there weren't any D's. I don't know where the D's were, so I had to improvise and get a J for Junior and an S for Senior. They have so many cute things. I'm going to just pop in and out of the video. I'm not going to talk the entire time and just let you guys enjoy looking at all of the goodies at my local Dollar Tree, and you get to see some of the things that I purchased as well. They had some cute gift bags, as you guys can see. These bags can retail from, $3 on up at other stores. However, at Dollar Tree, they're $1.25 and you can't beat that. This was one of my favorites. I thought this bag was so cute and I had to get it, you guys. So I don't typically like wrapping presents, so getting a gift bag with some cute paper to stuff inside is one of my go-to strategies when I don't want to wrap a whole bunch of gifts. And they also had these little felt ornament kits that I thought my kids would enjoy. They're so cute. Question: do you guys like the cherry flavored candy canes or the peppermint? Let me know in the comments below. You guys, as soon as I saw these birds, I had thought of the friendship turtle doves in Home Alone, and that's my daughter's favorite movie, so I had to get that. And how cute are these? My kids are going to be out of school for 2 weeks for winter break, so I'm just trying to get like a lot of different activities that'll keep them busy, something that they enjoy doing. They love coloring, they love creating things, so these little trinkets that I'm getting for them are perfect. Oh, this stuff is so cute. And come on, Dollar Tree, with the diversity. I love seeing the brown Santas all over the place. I love it. These are so cute. This is a super cute cookie jar. Look at that. If you are a teacher, Dollar Tree has a lot of items that you can use to put in your prize box if you have that reward system in your classroom. Or even if you're a parent and you have a reward system at home, these little trinkets that they have here are perfect, and you don't feel overwhelmed by having to spend a whole lot of money on, cute little items to give your students or your kids. And of course, I had to visit the aisle where they had all of the sweet treats, and it had so many options, you guys. Look at this little chocolate bomb. And on the inside, it had marshmallows in it. Super cute. My son loves sour candy, so I had to get this for him. He's going to love that. And of course, I could not forget my wrapping paper. And y'all, look at this. Like, they had so many to choose from. And again, look at the diversity. I love it. Love to see it. All right, you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for clicking and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up on your way out. Happy December and happy shopping. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.